Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Paddy seeds for the Midsummer Rhyme event in Heartopia. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is one of the event foods, and if you want to make this food guys, you need a Paddy. This is called triangle plain rice Zangzi, if I'm not mistaken. You can get the recipe from here from the exchange store. And to make this food, you need Paddy. And I'm going to show you guys where you can purchase the Paddy. As usual, if you want to purchase a seed, just go to the Bologang store and you can purchase Paddy seeds from here. Okay, it's right here next to the potato seed, and it costs only 12 golds. Oh, I'm going to purchase it a lot like this. I need a lot to make triangle plain dry Zangzi. And yeah, if you want to get Paddy seeds, just go to Bologang store and you can purchase it from there. Okay guys, and that's how you can get Paddy seeds for the Midsummer Rhyme event in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!